This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, December 16th, podcast number 575. We have a good session. It'll be nice and quick today. I want to get you out of here. But I think we're going to talk a little bit about Tesla and crude oil today. Tesla is breaking out. The paying subscribers have known to watch out for this major breakout, and we'll go through those price areas today. But I'm going to just throw this out there for everyone. If you take a look at the weekly or monthly chart of Tesla since its IPO, it has been trading in basically 3 balance areas, and it broke out of 2 of the prior. So we are now trying to attempt to break out of that 3rd balance area. Anyone with a crayon, ages 3 plus, could draw these balance areas. So take a look at that chart. So let's go into breadth numbers. For the day, we had 131 new highs versus 234 new lows, 39% advanced versus 57% declined, 52% below the 50-day, and 47% below the 200-day. The Dow closed down 300 points. The NASDAQ was up 54 points, or about 0.25%. The S&P down 16 points, or about 0.25%. So it was kind of a nothing burger type day. However, if you take a look at the sector analysis, it really tells the story here. For the first time, tech was not at the bottom 2 sectors. It actually led today. However, it led a measly 0.2%. So really a nothing burger. Consumer cyclical was up 0.18. Communication services was up 0.12. But the real story here is crude. Crude prices continue to be under pressure, and that led to energy shares, or that whole sector, to be down 2.8%. Healthcare was down 1%. Real estate down 0.75%. Financials down 0.6%, consumer defensive 0.5%, industrials 0.5%, basic materials 0.5%. These all were leading up until today. But if the safety trade is over and they're leaving the safety trade, shouldn't tech be up just as much as these hard assets and oil and energy and healthcare were down today? Shouldn't tech be up? But it wasn't. So that's some context. Are smart money going into cash? Is something happening here with crude oil being priced for failure of this channel? And I'll walk through that chart in a moment. Just a reminder, this is a preview episode of the full podcast. You can unlock the entire episode as well as everything. All of the archives, the written, the watch list, the alerts, the private chat. All you have to do is go to notyouradvisor.com/unlock. It's easy as that, and you'll have access to everything for 7 days for free. Let's go get it. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.